Welcome back. So look where I'm at right now at the Nismo factory, Omori Factory. So we got the full dry carbon Z-tune body kit right here. So interesting. So we got the full spec of this GTR Le Mans 95 R33. This is super cool. It's full R35. Alright, welcome to Shogun's special episode hosted by Jackie. I'm here at Daikoku Futo, which is like the famous car meet spot that we just covered in the previous videos. I'm with my friend Mike out right here from Hong Kong. He came all the way from Hong Kong, and then right now we're visiting the famous Omori Nismo factory. So here we are at the Nismo factory. We just gonna pull up and see where the parking lot is. And we're gonna show you around.
Yeah.
Nismo factory. Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome back. So look where I'm at right now at the Nismo factory, Omori Factory. So yeah, funny thing is I just bumped into one of our clients' car that we just did the PPF on, which is like, it's such a small world, man. It's crazy. Yo man, I loved his car, and then that's his another R34, and which is crazy. Got two cars here today. I think we'll bump into him in a second, so let's see. Mike, it's crazy, man. So we got the Group A RB26 right here. I think it's fully built by Omori Factory. It's an exhibition engine right here. Man, it's just crazy that we got all these like crazy engines right here. GT500 engine, man. Holy shit, such a piece of art, man. So we got the full dry carbon Z-tune body kit right here. We got the bonnet, fenders, and then front bumper. And then what's funny about this front bumper is it even comes with the tray, the under panel. It's crazy. What a piece of art, man. If you guys wonder about the price, here we go. So for the full front, it's about 2 million yen. That's about about 20k US. So we check out this souvenir. Got the mask, a box of masks. It has like 50 pieces. And funny thing part about this tray is look at it's a little bit misprinted, right? Let me see, let me find my fender. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah, it's a little bit flaw. So got the brand new R34 headlights right here. Wow, how much are they? Oh, it's Nissan genuine parts. Headlamp for R34. I mean, it's actually not bad. 27,000, 273,000. That's about 2 grand. I mean, for brand new headlights to restore R34, why not? So this 34 right here, I think he's ready to get the fender cut and to put on the Z2 rear bumper, rear arch lip, which is quite interesting because I thought it was just bolt on, but apparently you have to even put the cut the fender in order to fit it. What a nice piece of art and machine. So me and my friend Micah here was just talking about the 19-inch LMGT4 by Nismo. So this one's basically more of a deep dish. You see the lip right here? It's more deep dish design, which I personally liked it more than the 18, which is the one you can see that's like deep dish and it has a concave because the spoke comes out a little bit more, so on closer to the rim edge. So yeah, just really different design. So amazing. Imagine how it feels back in the 90s driving in this car on Fuji Speedway. Keep the dream alive. So interesting. So we got the full spec of this GTR Le Mans 95 R33. So we got the weight, engine, everything, horsepower 450 and torque 50 kilograms. And the tire size, holy shit, it's running a 335 40 18 the back and 350 in the front. So what's interesting about this car is this Recaro SPA. I don't know if you guys can see, but this seat, you can probably see in the middle, it says 94. So this seat is produced in or manufactured in 1994, which is long discontinued, this seat. And also the coloring is like really amazing too. Here we have the GT500 GTR Nismo. And I think it competed in 2013 Super GT. So yeah, very interesting. The whole thing made out of carbon fiber. Look at the model car right here, and then we turn into the real one. Ooh. But that's not the 2013 model, I believe. This is super cool. It's all R35. Right, so that's the wrap in Omori Factory. So yeah, it's a really open space, as you guys can see. Really like vloggers friendly factory too. So yeah, what a wonderful experience. And right now we're just going to buy some souvenirs, go back home, and you know, we're just gonna leave and for lunch. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you like and subscribe, yeah? So got the souvenir, taking it back to home, actually, not for Shogun. So yeah, just a tiny food tray for my cat. So yeah, hope my cat likes it. So
I'm actually swimming better.
Yeah, I know, right?